Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up and join Google Classroom on Motorola Moto ThinkPhone. To do this, you'll need to open the Google Play Store. Inside, find the Google Classroom. Select first app from the list and click on the install. When it's ready, you should be able to launch it. Allow all of the access, click on Get Started, pick the account for your classroom and confirm with OK. Then tap on the plus button, join class, enter the class code in a pool right here, and when you're ready, you'll be able to join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.